GAT Flow can help admins with managing their suspended users. One of those ways is by using a workflow template with suggested actions. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use these workflow templates. Start off by navigating to the Workflow Templates section of GAT Flow. From there, select the Modify options. Then choose the option labeled Suspended Users Actions. After selecting the template, you can preview the suggested set of actions before using it. The template is only a suggestion of recommended actions. It can be modified to suit your particular use cases at a later stage. This template will remove the user's access to files and folders, suspend the user, remove all roles from the user, change the user's organization unit, set any videos they've uploaded to YouTube as unlisted, as well as clear their recovery data. Please note, this workflow triggers the suspension of the user's account, and due to Google restrictions, the actions that can be performed on a suspended account are limited. We have also included a link in the description of this video to view the actions that are available for a suspended user. Next, we'll have the choice to use this template as part of an action set. An action set is essentially a custom template which can be used in future workflows. I'll be using this template for a workflow right now, so I'll select that option. The template will automatically fill in the name and description of this workflow. Simply click Next to proceed. In this next area, you can select the users that you want this template to affect. Make sure to double check that you have included the correct users, and once ready, click Proceed to Actions. Here you can delete or add any actions that are available to you. To add an action, simply click on the left plus box. Once you are satisfied with the actions that this workflow will take, click Send Approval Request. Your domain security officer will have to approve your request. Once that's done, your workflow will run. That covers this GAT Flow how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.